Kaya sila nagnegosyo kasi gusto nila ng title na CEO. Gusto nilang masabing negosyante sila. Gusto nilang magyabang. If that is you, baguhin mo na yan. Because for things to change, you have to change. Para magbago buhay mo, baguhin mo sarili mo. Para lumaki yung negosyo mo, ang palakihin mo yung negosyo mo, hindi yung ego mo. Nabalik tayo dito. What are the ways for you to generate leads? Number 1 is what we call organic content. At ito yung lagi kong ginagawa. Because the idea here is if you post consistently over and over a period of time, ma-attract mo talaga yung tamang audience. So, ang laban sa organic content is time, effort, and volume. Yung dami. Yung repetition. But the major advantage here is if you do this over and over, magiging skill siya. Because remember that repetition is the mother of skill. So, yun ang advantage ng organic. Gumagaling ka. Natututo ka.